Now, Indian aviation officials have moved quickly after an urgent alert came from DGCA and the European Union Aviation Safety Agency. This follows after Airbus announced one of its biggest safety actions ever. This as it ordered an immediate software rollback on nearly 6,000 A320 family aircraft. Now, this is more than half of all A320s flying worldwide. So, in the latest updates that we know, Indigo Airlines has shared a completion update on the mandatory Airbus system enhancement across its A320 family fleet. Now, all 200 aircraft have been fully updated and compliant as required. Global airlines have been meanwhile scrambling to fix a major software glitch on Airbus A320 jets, a problem that forced a partial recall and also halted hundreds of flights across Asia as well as Europe. This issue also raised concerns about the US travel during one of its busiest weekends of the year. Airlines have worked throughout the night, in fact, after regulators ordered an immediate software rollback. And by Saturday, several major carriers, including American, United Delta, Air India, Wizz Air, all said that they had completed or nearly completed the fix with little to no impact on operations. Now, this overnight push helped also avoid the worst delays we could have witnessed. Aviation experts say that the situation created short-term headaches but avoided the larger chaos. Airbus CEO, in fact, apologized to airlines and passengers after the surprise recall of more than 6,000 jets worldwide, over half of its A320 fleet. Now, this alert, in fact, followed an October JetBlue flight incident in which a sudden altitude drop injured about 10 passengers. So, of course, the safety of passengers was at risk and the recall had to be done. Now, many airlines were helped by the timing. The recall hit late in the evening for Europe and Asia. This is when A320s are mostly on the ground. Meanwhile, in the US, however, it landed right in the middle of a heavy holiday travel season. So, repairs involved reverting to a previous software version that controls the aircraft's nose angle, with some older planes also needing hardware changes. Now, each fix basically takes about 2 to 3 hours, and despite the scale, most airports worldwide reported only moderate delays, and Airbus now says that fewer aircraft than first feared will need, in fact, hardware replacement. So, basically, there are two ways to go here. Either you can go back to an older software version or you have to go for a hardware replacement. So, most of the flight only had to go to a previous version. Still, aviation leaders call the recall a rare, costly disruption at a time when a global maintenance system is now already stretched thin. All right, so that's the latest we're getting in as far as the Airbus recall is concerned about its A320 fleet. Most of the airlines across the world have now completed their process.